Hey, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we are making squid game candy, also known as Dalgona candy. Let's start by adding 2 level tablespoons of cane sugar. Set the temperature to just above medium. It will take about 3 minutes for the sugar to liquefy. Watch to see when the sugar begins to liquefy, then stir with a chopstick until the sugar is dissolved. Add 1/4 of 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Lift the pot off the burner and stir. Remove the pan from the stove and stir quickly for about 2 minutes. Pour the sugar solution onto some parchment paper. Carefully remove the metal press and stamp your favorite cutter shape into the top surface of the Dalgona candy. Let the candy cool for 5 minutes before removing from the parchment paper. Remember to store your candies in a plastic Ziploc bag or airtight container. To flatten the candy, you can use this Korean pancake tool. There is a link in the description below. You can also use the bottom of a cake pan. You can also use the bottom of a pot. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.